Coming to the rodeo is great as a family because there's something for everyone to do. The thing that makes it the most family friendly is there's really anything for anybody. I mean, there's food trucks, bouncy houses up here for the kids, different activities for everybody. So I mean, I really think it's perfect for whoever wants to come.
There's a lot of different things here than you expect. They got all the catering foods, and then they got knives and hats for sale, which he just got one, so.
I just really liked all the action that's happening because I've been more of an action-packed kid. It's just nice to come see all the stuff and feel good to not watch it on TV, so it's nice to just come out and enjoy it.
It's American, it's patriotic, it's something good to go to, spend your day at. It's family too, so.
In our country, farming is dying away, but the rodeo brings it back alive and shows where the spirit of that comes from. And so by having things like this, we're reminding the people of our nation why we do these things and why these skill sets are important and that they shouldn't die away, but we should continue teaching them to the coming up generations.
A mí me gusta tanto el lugar como todo el evento que hacen y lo que traen, lo de los caballos, lo de los toros, nada más que lo de los toros me da miedo porque a veces se caen muy feo, pero sí me gusta verlos.
We really like this arena, particularly compared to other rodeos that we've been to, with the fact that it's covered. So it's nice no matter what the weather is. We know that the rodeo is not going to be canceled. Whether it's hot or cold or rainy, we know we can sit under the covered arena, enjoy the sporting event, and just knowing that we're also kind of in a safe environment.
The thing I'm most excited to see tonight is a bull riding class. It's one of my passions, one of my hobbies.
I came here to see the people ride the bulls. I really like barrel racing and bucking broncos and roping.
The most thing I'm excited about tonight is probably the barrel racing because I used to ride horses all the time, so I'm excited to see it.
I'm probably most excited for the individual act, the music, just to hear and see everything that's going to go on.
It's a great atmosphere. Everybody come out, come see it.